Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on Swiss franc JPY. So we will start with the trend and we can clearly see that we are on an uptrend move. Swiss franc JPY is definitely giving us that uptrend move. We are bullish. Now let's go to the forward time frame to fully understand what market is currently doing. On this our current trend also, we are also on an uptrend move. Now our next movement of Swiss franc JPY will be the bullish move. So we should expect another buy to come and tap this previous high. Now this is what markets will do. We see that this is our higher high and here is our higher low. Take a look at this, our higher high, and here is also the higher low. This is also the higher high and here is the higher low. This is our higher high also, and here is the higher low. Now market is currently playing an higher high, a new higher high. So this will be the best opportunity for opening to buy. So it takes out this previous higher high. So we will continue that bullish move on Swiss franc JPY upward till it takes out this previous high. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY is a bullish move.